Manege Monte. Onye unu na-anụ ya bụ Nwaada Chiamaka Eze-Ibe. Onye nke unu ji Ada Ekwulobia wee marụ. N'ụbọchị tata, achọrọ m itinyeke n'ọnụ na a certain topic, because this certain topic has been trending, which is ịpịa ụtarị mkpurummiri. Good. Ọ dị mma na ọ dị nke ya o. Mana o nwere ebe m chọrọ itunye aka. I think what is happening to us, the Igbos now, anyị nwawo ndị Igbo, ife ndị oyibo na-akpọ kama. Ndị Igbo na-akpọ aka nsi mmadụ, aka nsi ba onye nsi ọnụ. Ịmagono mgbe Igbo onye nsi, aka nsi gị bazie gị ọnụ. Yes, we glorify a lot of our brothers. Ya gaa obodo oyibo. Odo anya na ihe ha na-eme n'obodo oyibo bụ ibu ọgwụ. You know, ụmụazị ndị countries ha nọ ana-aṅụ ya, getting wasted and useless. They come back, we applaud them, we give them a lot of titles. Ha na-eko ochi na nwata eze ego one. O dokwara anya ihe ha na-eme. Even we hustle to beg them to link our brothers ka akpọpụ ha ka ha jebuwekwa ọgwụ natawuru odogwu. Now, most of these countries have tightened their security. They have tried so much to guard their borders. Or there was if easy in such business there. I don't know I already got all Habunata the business here to us. We start complaining. Because if I for Omazin Obodo, Ibomazin Diocha, or all these countries, Hana travel to Nagabiga. Now try to put yourself in the shoes of the people, of the citizens, of those citizens that have been complaining. And I buy one or two things. Yeah. We try to complain now. We complain because iPhone are giving us, let's say, in the next 3 to 5 years, again, we see youth get because okwonye ngusia ọ na-ezuzu mgbe ngusia na-ezuzu ka ihe eche ka ihe si ba ulu ma ọ ga-agba mbọ ọkwano onye lasatụrụ ya nene. Until we stop being hypocrites in this part of the world, magi ma mwa, until we stop glorifying evil will not leave us. So karma spares no man. Karma is the greatest judge. Even most of us, secretly, they take these things. Because they're in the hand of authority, nobody is judging them, they tend to be free. I condemn mkpurummiri or whatever it is being called. But I want us to know that we are somehow paying for the evils that we have been glorifying for years. Thank you. I remain your girl, Chiamaka Eze-Ibe, aka Ada Ekwulobia. I love you all. Good morning, everybody. Ụtụtụ ọma ndị ọma na-ege m ntị. Aka m bụkwa Nwaada Chiamaka Eze-Ibe, nke unu ji Ada Ekwulobia wee marụ. Okay. I recently made a video where I discussed about my own narration of mkpurummiri. So a comment or some comments came in. The comments were, okay, Ada Ekwulobia kusigo, ife bu your solution? Ke solution in I suggest that will bring to a stop, or rather curtail this very act? Okay, I came up with this. First of all, it may not be right in your own very eyes, but that's na uchonya de anjo. Personally, I don't like seeing when people are being inflicted with physical pain, any kind of pain, mostly physical pain. You know, it's an eyesore to me. I don't like in the near. Go there. I don't like watching it to the end. So when we say, if you're yeah, man, just for a moment, onya ha kwụsị ime openly. Because it is already an addiction. You know, people don't really understand this word addiction. Okay, according to my dictionary, can go there in a layman's language. Addiction is kind of a habit. Without. Obu need to go used to like isesiga. If we ise he odo to ogo on ado. Or odoga know when he name is now part of you. It's an addiction, it's a habit. And obro if you with all only they addicted to cigarettes. You can't just wake up and tell him stop. And with processes and with steps. Oga undergo, you know, we come out to a conclusion, we come out to a final, you know, resolution. At least open on in a daytime. You only go the over 8 on from 8 on adapt to area on our balata. Let me tell you the honest truth. Okusi anike or die. Because all your body system you go used to. Offer us oil web effect. So all for you wire not able to. So you see why I said you don't just stop it. And with procedures. Let me take for instance Ndiocha. If always some causes had enable addiction and mental health. How my upon a father answers way create such causes. Famana anyway processes to all this. That is why they train professionals who work in most of these rehabilitation centers to guide people on how to do away with all these substances that are not healthy to their body. You know, what I'm suggesting is that I think the government and the community and individuals, they have a great role to play. We need to build centers. We need to get centers where we bring these people, bring professionals who are trained in this field of you know, of course, if you go to rehabilitation center, then we're medical professionals and all those counselors who help them to do away with all these things. I think we need it here. Iku otalia makakwa, but ikucha emankonya ho na eme n'ime. O we ka offer HR fraud nke ahụ ya so or manufacture of so ihe ni na abo by ike okpo. To me, I may be wrong, but to me, I think it will go a long way. Talk sense into them. Tell them why it's not good to their health. Rehab them. And after rehabilitation, okay, when something, because okay, no, I will give you a story. I will share a story with you. Someone was telling me now, no one body depressed. So on a me on no indoor. On a kata indoor. On a check all of a sudden, a friend of his introduced him to tramadol. On the first day. Yeah, to be honest, now, you know, they happy and all that. But if I say I can't continue like this, so this is not the solution that I'm seeking for. You know, or take it. But he is lucky. The question is some other person or okay, I think I'm finding solace in this. He or she will continue. If I might name or buy or buy and he mother. I don't think is a cup of tea. So I'm suggesting in a nutshell that we apply more professional, you know, means to be able to, you know, correct this very ill. Let's rehab these people. Let's employ more of addiction and mental health professionals. You know, do seminars, help them out. Fix them in one or two things that are going to be doing for people that are not employed or anything. I believe that there will be a better outcome, a better result. Because no, you won't. You won't. Oh, big men that are into these things. They go into their rooms, they take it. Let's rehab these people. Personally, I'm against this it's a nice thought to me. I don't like it. I may be wrong, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm totally against it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.